Look at this. This. Look, I got weapons. Oh yeah, also back here. I cannot grab him. Bro, it's too hard. Ow. The pistol. The pistol of truth. Yeah, bro, I'm scanning this like. Yeah, bro. Look, I scanned it with the pistol here, and they move. So someone built these pistols for me. Yeah, but I built the shock gun by myself, and I built all these three. Also, this big, long thing. This big size spear. Bro, I come at bro, this is my own pool. Yes, it's a pool. Oh no, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tickets. We don't know. Maybe. Yeah, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, pool. Yeah, you can have so much fun. Just don't talk about this. Like you could climb up. You could use the elevator to get up here. Yeah, and you could use the ladder to get up. Yeah, my friend built the one without the elevator. Then I built the elevator because it's so easy to build the elevator. But bro, I'm gonna remake my elevator. Platform. Where the platform? Where the? Yes, I'm scanning this. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm not wrong. There we go. Okay, guys. We took a picture. So when I get into there, I'll just look at the picture in a public and be like, oh, perfect, and stuff. So go on a public among people. Guys,
Where is it?
does anybody want to see my build?
I didn't even click it. I can send you a screenshot.
Does anybody want to see my build?
Bro, I didn't even report you and you just call supported me. I said, no, okay, I'm reporting blue.
Which blue? Which blue? Which blue?
Report this guy. Yeah, report him.
Why?
That's it.
Why? There's no
You're
reason.
the reason why double doors got invented.
Bro,
You don't give me.
you and my
Wait, hold my
friend,
hand.
you were with me in first class and now you're being mean.
I'm not being mean. It's my build now. I don't want it. So
But it's buddy's build.
That's not a reportable reason anyway. Bro, I didn't report you. That's not even a reportable reason.
Why are you recording me now?
because you deserve it.
No. Guys, Blue's false supporting me. Blue's false supporting me. Gorilla 3459 is
How can y'all pick up things? Yo, you guys are idiots. You know that, right?
You know, guys, Blue, he's reporting everyone. Guys, Blue is reporting everyone. Blue is
Oh, bro.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Bro, you already left. You can't see him. Guys, if anybody want to do my build,
Did you record him? Did you record him?
yep. Got it recorded.
Please upload it. Please upload it. Or send it to the
Yeah, I'm
Discord.
uploading it. But does anybody want to do my build? Does anybody want to see my build?
Me.
Okay, just go into share my blog. And what do we do? Join my name.
Teleported. I'm gonna get teleported. Do your parents liquor?
Okay, guys, go into share my blogs and join my name.
You're gonna get teleported. You're gonna get teleported.
Yeah, but join my name. Join my
Your
name.
name is AJ Cat. I have to join that code.
Yeah, guys, you have to join it.
Okay. Can everyone?
Okay. Let the screen show.